The 2023 Alpine A110 R, a lightweight performance revolution. This latest addition to the Alpine lineup combines exhilarating performance with lightweight construction, making it a proper driver's car. Competing with other sports cars like the Porsche Cayman, Audi TT RS, and BMW M2, the A110R is capturing the attention of automotive enthusiasts everywhere. This video will explore its striking design, advanced technology, and customization options. The 2023 Alpine A110R is a lightweight performance sports car with unparalleled driving experience. Its turbocharged four-cylinder engine provides exceptional power and responsiveness, allowing it to compete with its heavier rivals. However, the A110R isn't just about performance. It also represents a significant step toward driver engagement in the world of sports cars. If you're a fan of cutting-edge automotive technology or are in the market for an agile, lightweight sports car, you won't want to miss out on this video. We'll dive deep into all the details that make the 2023 Alpine A110R a revolutionary addition to the world of performance sports cars. Let's start with the design. The 2023 Alpine A110R is a stunning work of art, featuring sleek lines and an aggressive stance that screams performance. It's a perfect blend of style and aerodynamics, designed to turn heads while providing an exhilarating driving experience. The front of the car is characterized by its distinctive LED headlights and a large central air intake, which provides both cooling and a sense of purpose to the A110R's design. The hood features flowing lines that seamlessly integrate into the side profile, accentuating the car's sculpted physique. In addition, the A110R's rear fenders and tapering roofline also contribute to its sense of speed, even when standing still. The car's rear is equally impressive, with a sculpted bumper, integrated diffuser, and centrally mounted exhaust system. The slim LED taillights and distinctive rear spoiler add a touch of sophistication to the A110R's aggressive design. Inside the car, you'll find a driver-focused cabin that combines luxury and functionality. The seats are crafted from premium materials and offer excellent support, ensuring comfort during high-speed driving. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system provide easy access to critical information and controls, while the cabin's minimalist design keeps distractions to a minimum. One of the standout features of the A110R's interior is its emphasis on lightweight construction. The car's extensive use of lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber ensures that it remains nimble and responsive on the road without compromising the driver's experience or the car's aesthetics. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2023 Alpine A110R is powered by a 1.8-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This power is channeled through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering rapid and seamless shifts for an engaging driving experience. The A110R's lightweight construction and potent powertrain allow it to achieve remarkable performance figures. With a curb weight of just 2,500 pounds, the A110R can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds and has a top speed of 174 miles per hour. Regarding handling, the A110R is equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension system that adapts to the driver's inputs and road conditions, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Its rear-wheel drive layout, advanced aerodynamics, and lightweight construction also contribute to its agile handling and impressive cornering capabilities, making the A110R a proper driver's car. Regarding safety, the 2023 Alpine A110R is equipped with a range of advanced features, including high-performance brakes, advanced traction control, and stability control systems. These technologies work together to provide optimal control and confidence while driving. In addition, the A110R's aluminum chassis also offers exceptional strength and rigidity, further enhancing the car's safety and performance. The A110R also boasts cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a rear parking camera. These features work in tandem to keep you aware of your surroundings and provide added peace of mind while driving. Alpine offers various customization options for those who want to personalize their A110R, including different exterior colors, interior materials, and wheel designs. These choices allow you to create a unique and eye-catching vehicle that reflects your style. As a lightweight performance sports car, the 2023 Alpine A110 R has a significant price tag. The base price for the car starts around $70,000, placing it in line with other sports cars like the Porsche Cayman and the Audi TT RS. However, the price of the A110 R can increase significantly if you add optional extras or customization features. For example, if you opt for the carbon fiber exterior pack, which includes carbon fiber accents on the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser, you can expect to pay an additional $10,000. Despite its high price, the 2023 Alpine A110 R is a car that is worth every penny. It offers a level of performance, design, and driver engagement unmatched by any other sports car in its class. However, the lightweight sports car market is competitive, and the 2023 Alpine A110 R has some stiff competition. One of its main rivals is the Porsche Cayman, known for its impressive performance and iconic design. The Audi TT RS is also popular among sports car enthusiasts thanks to its powerful engine and unmistakable Audi styling. Other competitors in the market include the BMW M2, the Chevrolet Corvette, and the Nissan 370Z. Each of these cars brings unique features and strengths to the table, making the choice between them difficult. One of the most notable aspects of the 2023 Alpine A110 R is its exceptional performance and handling. The car's advanced suspension system, featuring double wishbone suspension front and rear, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride and agile handling in various driving conditions. The A110R also comes with a limited slip differential, which aids in maximizing traction and providing precise control during high-speed cornering. Furthermore, the A110R's braking system, equipped with high-performance brakes, offers exceptional stopping power and resistance to fade, even during the most demanding driving situations. This advanced braking system, combined with the car's lightweight construction and refined aerodynamics, allows the A110R to deliver a thrilling and engaging driving experience that is truly worthy of the Alpine name. The 2023 Alpine A110R is designed to keep you connected and entertained with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. The system includes a high-resolution touchscreen display that is intuitive and easy to use, providing access to various functions such as navigation, audio controls, and vehicle settings. Additionally, the A110R's infotainment system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone seamlessly and access your favorite apps, music, and more. The car also features a premium audio system that delivers crystal clear sound quality, further enhancing your driving experience. As an Alpine A110R owner, you become part of an exclusive community of sports car enthusiasts who appreciate cutting-edge technology, performance, and design. In addition, Alpine offers a range of owner benefits and events, such as exclusive track days, driving experiences, and VIP access to prestigious automotive events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the Monaco Grand Prix. Moreover, Alpine is known for its commitment to providing exceptional customer service and support to its owners. This includes access to a global network of Alpine service centers, ensuring your vehicle receives the expert care and maintenance required. In addition, Alpine offers tailored service plans, extended warranties, and roadside assistance, providing added peace of mind throughout your ownership experience. The 2023 Alpine A110 R is a testament to the brand's engineering prowess and its commitment to producing lightweight, high-performance sports cars that offer a thrilling and engaging driving experience. The A110R's advanced powertrain and lightweight construction allow it to achieve impressive performance and handling, setting it apart from its competitors in the sports car market. Furthermore, Alpine's commitment to producing lightweight, performance-oriented vehicles goes beyond the A110R itself. The company is actively working to improve the performance and efficiency of its cars through innovative engineering and the use of advanced materials. By investing in developing high-performance sports car technology, Alpine is helping pave the way for a new generation of exciting and dynamic sports cars. The 2023 Alpine A110 R is a groundbreaking vehicle, representing a significant milestone in the evolution of lightweight, high-performance sports cars. As such, it will likely become a highly sought-after model among car collectors and enthusiasts, particularly those who value cutting-edge technology and driver engagement. While it's difficult to predict the exact future value of the A110R, its rarity, performance, and innovative design make it a strong candidate for appreciation in the coming years. By investing in a 2023 Alpine A110R, you gain access to an exceptional driving experience and the potential for long-term financial returns. In conclusion, the 2023 Alpine A110R is a groundbreaking lightweight sports car that stands out in the performance car market. It combines the exhilarating performance of a high-powered sports car with the agility and responsiveness of a light vehicle, making it a truly unique and compelling offering. From its striking design and driver-focused interior to its advanced powertrain and cutting-edge technology, the A110R is a car that is sure to impress, and its commitment to lightweight performance and driver engagement represents a significant step forward in the world of high-performance vehicles. While the price of the A110R may be steep, it's a car that is worth every penny. It's a true testament to Alpine's engineering prowess and commitment to producing lightweight, performance-oriented sports cars, and one that is sure to make a lasting impression wherever it goes. So, if you're in the market for a high-performance sports car, the 2023 Alpine A110R is a car you should consider.